Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be trying out the TikTok Hype, which is the mascara, which is the Maybelline Sky High. I finally got my hands on it and I'm going to try it here with you. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I post new content. And if you return to my channel, I appreciate you. Please don't forget to like and share or comment. It really helps my channel grow. It helps YouTube know that my content is content that you want to see and content that someone else may want to see as well. So let's get into this video. Hi guys, and welcome back. So I am going to be trying out the Maybelline Sky High mascara. So this mascara here has been all the hype on TikTok. You know, everybody's been trying it and it's been like amazing. It's been sold out everywhere. I tried for months to get this guy. I tried Walmart, Shoppers Drug Mart, anything you could think of. I tried Amazon, everywhere. People, I think they've all even been like buying it up and reselling it because it's been such a serious hype regarding this product. But anyway, I'm gonna try it out. So let's open it up and let's get started. So here it is. That is what it looks like. Simple regular mascara. It says Lash Sensational Sky High. I have used the Lash Sensational before, and that is actually the mascara that I'm using right now. It's cheap. It just, you know, it does the job and it works for me. So I'm hoping that this one is even going to be even better than that one. So let's get started. So let's open it up. So this is what it looks like. I mean, it doesn't look like anything crazy. But anyway, let's see what it does. So my mirror is actually over here, so I'm gonna be looking in that direction just so you guys can see. So let's see. This is the first, like you can actually see it. I'm gonna try a little bit on the bottom of the lash and then kind of just move it up like that, up and down on the top, and let's see what it does. Double up on the top. Okay, so guys, can you see that? Like, so this eye has nothing, and this eye, I put it on. You can see it. Now, the reason that I really wanted to try this is because I do not wear fake lashes. I love them, but I don't wear them because I can't put them on. So this is supposed to let your eyes look like you're wearing lashes without actually putting lashes on. And for right now, I've just done a little bit on the top and a little bit on the bottom. So I'm gonna do the other eye and then I'll see if it needs more product. So again, take it out. Oops, got a little bit on here. To the bottom. Let me know what you guys think. Like, I'm gonna put a little bit more just to build on it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let me know what you guys thought. Like, this is really good in terms of retail price. I think I paid $9.99 for this. I'm gonna recheck it with my receipt just to be sure how much I paid. I was looking for it for so long that once I saw it, I just picked it up. I really didn't check the price, but I think it's either $9 or $12.99 Canadian, but that's what I paid. I don't know if you tried this guy, because I've been waiting a very long time to try it, and I think with my makeup already done, it did elevate my eye compared to what it looks like when we started the video. And I think this might be even waterproof. Yes, and it's waterproof as well, so I'll test out the waterproof part of it. I mean, I'm not wearing a lot of makeup because I'm not really going anywhere. Like, literally, I'm doing this face to go like to the grocery store. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the mascara. Is it something that you've tried before? Have you been looking for this? Because I've been looking for this. And this is the end of the video. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I post new content. Please like and share this video. It really helps my channel grow. It helps YouTube to know that my content is content that you enjoy, and possibly someone else may enjoy as well. If you're returning to my channel, I appreciate you, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.